Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and today we are going over beliefs, illogical beliefs of eating. And this is a series, and I think we're on part 6. So this is part 6, illogical beliefs of food, body weight, and eating. And today I'm going to go over illogical beliefs of body. Sometimes when we are navigating the world, especially women, there's a lot of stories about our body. And one is, I need to lose weight in order to be loved. Meaning I am not accepted in the current body I am because it's too large, it could be anything, too flabby, too big. It takes up too much space. It doesn't look like what that person looks like. So at the heartbeat of that is, I'm not good enough. And it's so hard to recognize that, but it can come out as, I need to lose 50 pounds in order to wear a swimsuit. I need to lose 50 pounds in order to wear that dress, which biologically that might be true, where you can't physically fit into a size 2 when your body is a size 10. So physiologically that can't be true, but emotionally that can be really, really difficult. And so the rational belief is, I am to be loved at any size, because love is unconditional. When you put conditions on your body to receive love, at the heartbeat is, you're not good enough as is. And that's a really sensitive one. You can change your body without thinking that you are unlovable. You can change your body without the exception, without the rule of acceptance. And that's really, really hard, because we live in a society that puts a lot of pressure on looking certain ways in order to be loved. So I'm not saying it's easy, but recognizing and shifting, I am exactly where I'm supposed to be right now, and I am deserving of love, will help you with the goals of health or wherever you want to be. But first, absolutely shifting to the belief that you are amazing now. You are worthy now, because that is the rational thought, and that is true. Thank you for watching this series. I believe this is the 6th one in illogical beliefs of food, body weight, and eating. I'm Dr. Patty Ford. If this was helpful, follow along. Thank you.